What's up, guys? This is for the early bird top 2 on the flawless serial number break. We're live. It would be helpful if I had the list already in random.org. That would have been awesome and smart. Alright, so here's everybody in it. R-Pit for 2, Timbo. R-Pit, Double Colts, R-Pit, Double Colts, Reed Roofer, Timbo, and Sean. It is 1:48 p.m. Tuesday, April 19th, Eastern Time. We are going to roll the dice 7 times. Top 2 are in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Reed Roofer and Double Colts in on the serial number break. Congrats to them. Sorry, everybody else.